Optimizing production performance is a continuous effort, and it all starts with the hardest part, which is finding the single constraint that a factory must focus on. With the critical few actions out of thousands of potential actions that will lead to real, financial, business-changing improvements. PTC's ThingWorx Digital Performance Management, or DPM, provides that focus in two ways. Bottleneck Analysis automatically identifies the top constraint priorities on your factory site, while Performance Analysis complements traditional problem-solving with AI to determine the top root cause creating those bottlenecks. The goal is to identify your top few issues easily and automatically, and then systematically surface the critical few root causes of those issues and fix them permanently. Here are the top 3 reasons why Bottleneck Analysis provides a paradigm shift across your factories. Reason 1. Systematically identify top constraints to dramatically increase factory efficiency. The most valuable insight in manufacturing is knowing where to maintain a laser focus on the most impactful issues to unlock factory efficiency. Increasingly, manufacturers are adopting digital technologies to surface those insights. The best practice is to prioritize the bottleneck, the most constrained process on the factory site. Many manufacturers can identify their system's primary bottleneck, but understanding why it's the bottleneck is critical to being able to improve it. Is it a function of downtime, cycle time, quality, portfolio or product mix, or all of the above? Understanding these root causes at the primary bottleneck enables rapid improvement and increases throughput. However, bottlenecks are dynamic and can shift. Let's further explore that topic. Reason 2. Manage the dynamic nature of competing bottlenecks. Identifying bottlenecks, as well as their relative priority to one another, is often a manual and challenging process. Many times, factories will know their primary bottleneck, but are uncertain of the secondary or tertiary, with little and often lagging insights into the relative impact of each other. There is a dynamic nature to bottlenecks, meaning that in one shift, the bottleneck could be machine A, while during the next shift, the bottleneck may be on machine B. There is also a dynamic nature to the improvement of bottlenecks, which means you need a tool to accurately monitor and evaluate when the primary bottleneck becomes secondary, and that the factory must shift its laser focus toward the new and most pressing issues. Built on the most trusted industrial IoT platform on Earth, ThingWorx, PTC's Digital Performance Management, or DPM, offers the most accurate and effective way of analyzing bottlenecks by utilizing both historical and real-time data to minimize the impact of momentary issues and identify where improvements can have the largest operational and financial impact. Reason 3. Improve factory site efficiency by 5 to 20%, resulting in millions of dollars of impact. By leveraging bottleneck analysis along with DPM performance analysis, DPM's users have been able to consistently identify asset bottlenecks and increase factory site throughput by 5 to 20% in just weeks. These efficiency gains could lead to reduced operating cost or increased volumes, and subsequent revenue, resulting in millions of dollars of impact annually. If you're interested in how DPM Bottleneck Analysis can help you focus your continuous improvement effort on the highest impact opportunities, please visit our website to learn more.